once I did that is when, well, part of it, I just didn't get the fill I wanted. On my last 3 entries, I did not get the fill that I wanted. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm actually about to get back in really quick. Yeah, Tesla 331 puts, or 330. I'm about to buy the Tesla 330s. This is already what I wanted. It just tried to reverse for a second, but right now it's falling and it's about to fall more. I bet you they don't give me my fill. I bet you they don't give me my fill. Order's already placed. I'm just waiting for it to get filled. All right, we got a partial fill. We got a partial fill. I'm cool with a partial right now, but I want my whole position. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This was still kind of premature because I wanted to fall past this green line. And if it falls past the green line, I know it can go to here. With the fact that it's already falling and it's already hit here, I have a decent amount of confidence that it will continue. It's just, there we go. I bought in early because I'm predicting it. But that right there, I can't predict. So realistically, at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my sell. I got my full fill. All right, I got my full fill and I'm up. I'm about to just set my sell order now. I don't even want to hold on to it the way it's bouncing. I'm gonna leave 5. I'm gonna leave 5. I'm already in profit, so there's no need to get greedy. But I will leave 5. All right, so I'm out. I'm out for a profit. I still have 5. With this returning right here, yeah, I'm done. See, I don't like that. But if we look at a bigger time frame, yeah, see, we're still teetering right on it right here too. So I'm out. I got 3 left. So it's still going in my favor. It's just with the fact that I'm already in green, I'm like, let's get out. I already came up. And for me, I'm all about staying green. Oop. Accidentally placed a buy order. All right, yeah. Just placed the sell order on 1, 2, 3. I'm doing it one by one, just in case. You know, you never know. You might get that quick rejection or a little pop too. And at this point, we already up, so $1 or $2 on 3 or 4 contracts doesn't make or break anything. All right, so I got all of them set to sell. And see, I set it at the right time, but way too right, because the price is falling and it's already fell past my sell point. And I knew that was about to happen, which is why I even placed that sell order to begin with. And so again, what we're waiting for is for this to fall below that pink line. There's still pretty good chance it's going to continue. It's just the fact that it's already bounced on me twice. I got caught in this. I tried to buy in here and then it went up. I was happy I didn't. And just now I saw this happening and it took this whole time frame just for me to get the position I wanted. And as soon as I got it, it rejected. I don't want to play. I didn't come here to play. I came to take profits. That's the only reason I'm getting out right now, because if we look at the bigger time frame, it's already below the pink line on bigger time frames. So we have a pretty good indication that it's going to do the same thing on a smaller time frame. It's just I'm already up, so I'm trying to get out. And that's one thing we all need to learn sooner. Leave while you're up. Don't stay in the casino until you're down to your last dollar. Leave while you're up. Something I've had to learn. And that applies to more than just stocks. Right now I'm trying to get out though. I'm caught up in the rash here. How's it going for 206? I got myself set for $2 and I can't get a fill. Come on. Maybe that's telling me I need to hold on. That's crazy. My sell order is a whole $5 below the actual price point. Thank you. You see, it did what I wanted. It broke the pink line and the green line. And now I'm already out and in profit, and now it's returning back. So let's see. Yeah, now if I would have held now, I would have lost my profits that fast. within what, 3 minutes? And so as I sold here during this candle, which some would consider early, right? But I sold in profit. It continued down to my target price zone and I was already out. But that's fine because I got out early because I knew that it took too long to do that. If it was really gonna go, it would have just did it. It wouldn't have needed all of these hezzies. It's like you playing ball. And if he was really a hooper, he's going for the ball. You feel me? You're not for the ball. He's going for the point. Like he's not about to just keep doing hezzies and crossing you up and faking you out. Like he's gonna do that right there and just plunge. But nah, see, we keep getting these hezzies and these crossovers and these fake outs. Shoot, shoot and release. He can't. Is not doing it right now. And that's why I sold here because I knew this was going to be happening most likely because it had tried it already, what? I guess 3 times. 1 time it went back. 2 times it did it, but then it came right back. 3 times. This is when I started paying attention. And then I saw it happen here and I'm like, all right, bet. If it does it again, I just want to be a part of that. And it did it again. I was a part of it and now I'm out. You feel me? And so it's like, broke the line. Oh, recovered. Broke the line hard, but it still recovered. All right, it's not gonna hold. Exactly, it couldn't hold. So let's watch it. It's as simple as that. But then here, as soon as it bounced back up, I said, nah, I don't like this. I don't like this. With good reason. And again, I sold before it hit my price target twice, but I was already out and I was out in profit. Come on, say it with me. Take profit. Take profit. We don't care about the stock. We don't care what this thing does. We care what the green numbers do on the account. We want to see those go up. That's it. That's all. All right, I think I might just leave that alone for a minute. Let's see what we got going on here. See, same thing. Caught up between the pink and the green lines. Shouldn't be surprised because they work together. Say it with me. Together. SPX puts, XPX put. Oh my gosh, I should have. I said I should have known. I was about to say I should have known, but I literally just said it before I walked away. And I came back and look, this is what happens. This is part of the reason why, as a trader, you got to remember 2 things. Time matters a lot. Pay attention, but at the same time, it can be at any given moment, and you. Holy smokes! Y'all see that in real time, guys. Y'all see that in real time. Y'all see that in real time, guys. I couldn't have I could not have planned that no better. I'm surprised I even caught it. I actually did get in on it. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That right there is what we call execution. The fact that I saw that within the minute is what it means to be. And that's a crazy moment right there, guys. I just have to stop for a second and just be like, damn, I really did that. And it's not even because I was watching this chart. And this is why I tell people to watch charts that work together, right? And so I'm watching Tesla, right? Tesla is a part of the S&P 500. We just saw that Tesla was chopping in between the green and the pink levels, and then it broke below it. And then I said, let me go look at something else. This was doing the same choppy thing. And I'm like, well, if Tesla just broke down, that's probably going to break down too. What happened? It broke down. I said, ooh, I wanted to get in on this. Let's see what it's going to do. And then I walked away. As I came back, this big ass red candle was already in mid formation, and somehow by the grace of God, I still bought in while the price was where it was right here. As soon as I saw it, while it was still selling, and as it was still selling and falling in that same minute, I sold out. I bought in and sold out in the same big ass red candle that I said was going to happen right here, and I wasn't even prepared for it. That's crazy. That was a beautiful move right there. I think that's the move of the day. That is the move of the motherfucking day. And not even because it was my biggest profit. I don't even think it was my biggest profit on the day. Let me see. I don't even know what I made profit because I just bought in. So I'll tell you what I bought. I bought the 730 put on the S&P 500 for 470. Right now, that contract is still 470, 480. Up 490. Okay, it's moving. It's moving. But see, exactly. I bought in around the prices at now after that big candle. There's no way that was perfect, bro. That was perfect because we in the later part of the session of the trading day. So the breakdown and the price is happening faster. So the fact that I was able to buy in at the same price as selling for now 3 minutes later during DK and after. So this is why it's crazy, right? This is where it was at when I saw it. This is where it was at when I bought it. The same price that I bought it at, it fell this much and it's still going for that same price. And I'm already out. So I didn't lose. The fact that it lost so much value in 3 minutes and I bought in and sold out in 1 minute, there was that right there is just called execution and not getting greedy. Because I could have saw that I got in and be like, ooh, bet, perfect timing. Let's see and hold and let's see how far it goes. I might have been fine, right? But we don't know what this thing is gonna do. And right now, it's still 470. It's still the same price. So for 4 minutes of holding to see what's gonna happen, we would have got nothing. Or we could just lock in the profit and go from 470 to 5. If you buy a couple of those, you're straight. That was just beautiful execution. And then we have a continuation. So if I was trying to ride it for short, what I would have done is sold half of my position instead of the whole thing, which is what I actually tried to do. I was trying to sell half the position, but the whole thing had already sold. Once I saw it was doing what I wanted and continued, I tried to sell the whole position, but it didn't work. Beautiful move. I think I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. That was actually crazy. That was
In Texas, I sold cars. There were 17 other Nissan dealerships within a 50 to 70 mile radius. People will drive 70 miles to save $200 on a car. So I learned to sell myself first. What makes them come back to Jordan and spend an extra 200 just because they want to spend it with me? Fuck the car, fuck the stock, fuck the strategy. Also, think about us as a group. We all have our own strategy. It doesn't matter what strategy I give anyone else, you're always going to do your own. So I'm not going to keep bashing a strategy in your head. I need to just talk to you. Does that make sense? Trading is a very egotistical game. You cannot force people to meet you where you're at. Advanced, still in it, just getting started. It's a very egotistical game because there's real money involved. Everybody wants to be the best. This is why paper trading is so fucking important. So you can either see for the first time, or you can remind yourself what it's like when you stop playing with $50 and $20. I went through the same shit the last couple months. We're in the same boat.
That's crazy. I was about to say this shit gotta be fake. The same exact formation that's going on right here is going on the SPY, and that's another thing. I like looking at two different charts at the same time, because these two are pretty much Little Dipper, Big Dipper. Like the S&P 500 is the Big Dipper, SPY is the Little Dipper, and they usually do the same thing. So you could just play them both at the same time in the same direction. It's like a 2-for-1. You gotta pay for them separately, but it's a 2-for-1. You feel me?